Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, we are providing the solution of this question. An investor wishes to invest of all her 7.5 million in the diversified portfolio through a commercial lender. So they have provided a tabular format of using different variables and expected interest and maximum allowed. So we have provided this solution using Excel solver. So let's go there. So we have taken 6 variables for different decision variables: x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and x6. So these all are being taken into a tabular format, and then we just have provided the Excel solver to compute the solution. So now, as per the objective function, these are the subjective variables and rules, and this is the dollar investment. So based on this, our target answer reached to 523,500. So and the question has 5 parts also. So based on these parts, we have provided a solution set. So that's first. B part is saying what's the expected total interest. So that could be this one, 523,500, and the other parts. So part E is most interesting part of this question. It says that if they increases the bond investment to 6.1%, then they are saying how much investment in the bond changes. So this one I just really like, the most interesting one. So if we change the value of 6.1 and the bond changes in the bond investment, then our figure will reaching to 559,500. So this is also done using the Excel solver, the same that we keep the solution for the above one. So if you require this solution Excel file, you can contact me or you can reach me out on my WhatsApp or Telegram number. It will be the same. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.